Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform into Godzilla in Fortnite and dominate the battlefield with his insane abilities. Let's dive in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more premium tips. So here's how it works. In every Battle Royale game, there's a 20% chance that Godzilla will spawn. He shows up randomly between 3 minutes and 45 seconds into the match. If he doesn't spawn by the time the first zone closes, you can leave the game and try again. Now, if Godzilla does spawn, you'll get an alert on your screen showing the location of the Godzilla portal. This is your chance. Be the first player to reach the portal, and you'll transform into Godzilla with a super cool animation. As Godzilla, you get access to 3 insane abilities. First, there's the Roar attack, which reveals nearby players. Then you've got the Mighty Stomp, which knocks enemies back and destroys buildings around you. And finally, the Heat Ray, which cuts through anything in its path and deals massive damage. Oh, and there's more. When Godzilla spawns, there's also a 25% chance for the Kong event to activate. In this event, Kong teleports into the match and drops Monarch supply crates that you can loot for extra rewards. And that's it. Becoming Godzilla is an epic way to turn the tide of any match. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you've managed to play as Godzilla yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.